Hi, welcome back to the tutorial on configuring the FitCompare agent. We're almost at the final step of completing our agent configuration. In this video, we'll add the Send Document Data node. Drag and drop the node onto the canvas and connect it to the Prompt Your LLM node. This node works similarly to the Send Text Data node, but provides an option to display documents in the Copilot window. Click on the node to configure it. You'll see options to select both Summary and Data. Under Summary, select the LLM Analysis variable. Under Data, select the resume IDs extracted from the LLM node. Once done, click Save and Unlock Agent. That's it. Your FitCompare agent is now ready. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.